Hey there, this is Andrew from Clickfunnels support team, and in this video I just wanted to show you how to make your contact information pass to Aweber via web form. You will have to use this method if you want to gather anything else from full name and email address, because this fields pass over API and you don't need to create a web form in this case. But if you want to gather some more information, for example, some phone fields or some custom input forms, you will have to use a web form type for it. So first of all, let's go ahead and configure the opt-in page. We will have to create a full name field, if of course you want to gather that, but in this particular case I do. I will create an input form set to full name, change the placeholder text. I will also create an email form, go to the settings, set it to email address type, and for example, let's say I want to gather their phone number. I will go ahead and create a phone number input form and change the placeholder text. And for example, let's say I want to gather some custom input forms, just to show you how to do that. You can always set it up as not the custom input form, but a custom drop-down box. The process will not change. So we will have to create a custom type input form. And for example, I want to gather their favorite website. So I will call it favorite website, and I will change the placeholder text here too. After that, I will have to create a button to submit the form. And this is basically a page that I want my customers to fill out, and this is the information I want to gather. You can gather as many input forms as you want via web form. So if you want to gather some 2 other custom type input forms, you're free to do that. If you want to gather the address, go ahead and configure the input form. This is just an example that I'm going to use, and you will not have to go to the integrations and add this list. You will have to go to Aweber, and in here you will have to go to this list. For this particular case, I created a test web form list. If you don't have it, you just go ahead and create a list. And for this list, you will have to create a sign up form. Let's go ahead and create that by clicking create your first sign up form. And as you can see, it already has the full name and email input form created. So for example, if you, instead of the full name, you are gathering first name and last name separately, you just click on that and create first name and last name fields. These fields should match the fields that you have in your Clickfunnels opt-in page. So in this particular case, I have a full name, an email, and phone, and a custom input form or favorite website gathered on my opt-in page. So I have to create a sign-up form with exactly these fields. I will go ahead and create a new field by clicking this button, and I will call it something like phone number. I will click next. I will call it phone. You have to call it something customizable because there is a basic phone number field in Aweber. So you should select it as a text input. Always do that, and add some value. You can add some value for it. So I will add phone here, and I will not put it as required. Never put anything except for email as required in Aweber web form. So I will go ahead and save field, and as I am also gathering their favorite website, I will go ahead and create this field. So I will call it favorite website. I will go ahead and click next. So I have already tested that, so I already have a web form with this field, so I will call it favorite website 1, but you can call it whatever you want, favorite website of yours, customer's favorite website, or anything like that. Just not to repeat myself, I called it a favorite website 1, and always choose the text input for it. So I will give it a value and create this field by clicking save. After that, I will go ahead and save my form. This is a form that I want to use. It has the same fields as I have on my opt-in page, which means full name, email, phone number, and favorite website as a custom form. I will go ahead and to the custom step 2, and here you will have to customize the thank you page. So this Aweber account is not yet confirmed, and as a result, it is sending confirmation emails. So I don't want them to have the basic version of the thank you page that looks like that. I don't want them to see that. So I will select my custom page, and I will have to go to my Clickfunnels funnel and go to the thank you page that I want them to see and grab the URL for it. You can find it here in funnel URL. So I will paste it here. You will have to delete the HTTP and paste the link here. I will not customize an already subscribed page, but you obviously can do that and do the same thing for the already subscribed page. So I will go ahead and save this form, and we will have to go to step 3. And here you will have to grab the web form code for it. You will have to click I will install my form, and the most important thing that you don't grab the JavaScript snippet. You grab the raw HTML version, just click on this window and it will copy all the code here. You will have to copy this code, go to your opt-in page, go into the page editor and paste that, and you will have to also edit that. It is very simple. I will show you how to do that right now. So you select HTML integration here. In action, you select integrate existing form and paste the web form code here. But you will see that it has some extra fields. We will have to edit this web form code a little bit. First of all, you delete this, and also you can delete the style because it does not matter. So you can remove the style by simply selecting that, what starts with style type, and going down until you can see that there is an opening tag of the form. We will only need the form part. So you can see that the style is ending, and we will remove that. And you will only need the part that starts with form method. So we will have to scroll down a little bit to see where the form code ends. This is where it ends. So you have to look for this part where the form tag is closing, and you have to remove the script type. If you don't remove the script type, this web form is not going to work. After that, this form code is the only thing that we need. You will go ahead and click Save and Parse Save Web Form, and you will have to sync the fields that you have on your opt-in page with the fields that you have in your web form. So you will select the name for the name, email for the email, phone for custom phone, and for custom with favorite website in the web form, we select favorite website. After that, we go ahead and click Save. This is basically it. Also, if you don't want to remove the style code here, you can always take out this box and it will remove this code automatically from here. So it will only contain form code and script code. So in order for this web form to work properly, you will only need to remove script code in this case. If you don't remove the script code, it will give you an error that you have to remove the script code. So you only have to have this form code that starts with form method and ends with form ending tag. So we will go ahead and save that, and we will go and test this form out. So let's go ahead and do that. I will visit the page in incognito mode, and I will fill out the information. I will fill out my test email address, also fill out the phone number, and favorite website, of course, will be Clickfunnels. I will click to sign up, and I will be taken to the thank you page. Sometimes Aweber can also require you to fill out the CAPTCHA, but as I have already mentioned, I have a test email that will actually require me to confirm my subscription, so I will go ahead and confirm that right now. This is basically what you're going to see when you visit the email and you confirm your subscription. So right now I have confirmed my subscription, and we go to subscribers to check if all the information has passed. You can see that I was added to the list. We just click on this contact, and you can see that the phone and favorite website fields have been saved in Aweber. So basically, this is how you create a web form and make your contact information pass to Aweber via web form. Thank you.